Humans, humans, what is this about? I mean, they're only longhorns and bison, and we want to continue to chain them up? So beautiful. And I know people are looking at us. Do we look happy? Inside we do, but outside we're not. Inside we do, but outside we're not. Not with these chains on. Not with these chains on. Okay, I know it's so they don't blow away. I know it's so they don't blow away. Okay. But we can do better than chains like that. I know. It's so they don't blow away, but golly, this is still a form of life, and okay, maybe y'all don't see it. Maybe I'm crazy. To the sky. All right, we're gonna take another. Whoa! I almost poked myself with the horn. Ah, look at that. We love you. Even if we're minerals or metal, whatever this is, we love you. We love all. Please take these chains off. In the human form also, because you know we still have them on. All right. I love, we love always. Okay, we're going to take a quick look around. If you want to take a quick look. I know. So it doesn't blow away. I understand, but there's a lot of symbolism to it too. Okay, good night. If maybe that's how you look at it too. It's just, hey, he's making a big deal out of it being blown away. The best you can think of is shackle it up, shackle it up, shackle it up. That's the best you can do, huh? Shackle it up, shackle it up, shackle it up. You think he's happy shackled up? Would you be happy shackled up? Regardless of footwear form, would you be happy shackled up? We love you so much. I know, he's already suffered a little. At least they put him back together. We love you so much. All right, we gotta stop by and give our thanks to big horned animals that we so-called beasts.